And now we're going to show you the quick access holster for the EDC coin purse. To load the EDC coin purse in the EDC Travel Sling, simply orient the EDC Travel Sling in the vertical position, open the top, and then orient your EDC coin purse based on how you prefer the handle to be oriented, like this or like this, because it's going to come out of the bottom. Then you drop the coin purse in the top, and then at the bottom, securing the coin purse, you're going to want to put your fingers in between and open up the quick access holster, which is this elastic retention band, stretch retention band here. So you open it up to make sure that the tail, the handle, can come through, and then you pull it down secure so that it is able to rest securely and not fall out while running, walking, jogging, or hiking, but so that it exposes the tail and the handle for quick and easy access of the coin purse. This is the quick access holster for the EDC coin purse on the all-new EDC Travel Sling.